Activity 6, Constellation Counters. So Cosmic and Jem have been looking up into the sky and thinking about what they can see. So during the introduction of your session, you can think about your children looking up in the sky during the day, and you can think about the clouds and the shapes that the clouds make. And then you can think about the night sky and what we see when we look up into the night sky. The sun is our closest star, and when we look up into the sky, we can sometimes see big groups of stars, clusters of stars, which we call constellations. So before the session, what you would want to do is print out the posters of the constellations. And I would print these out as big as you can make them, and they can be on black and white rather than colour because the stars show up. And I would place these all around your classroom. What I would then do is encourage your children to walk around the posters and try and say the name of the constellation. I'd also encourage your children to count the number of stars in the constellation as well. The children can choose their favourite constellation, and then they can produce their own artwork to represent the constellation. So in the resource pack, there are lots of templates for all of the different constellations. So the children can choose a template, and then if they have got black paper and some chalk, then they can replicate the constellation. So they can draw dots for the stars, and then you can use glue and aluminium foil to make stars and reproduce the constellation. If your children can write the name of the constellation and the number of stars, then that would be brilliant, but it doesn't matter if they cannot.